Hi everyone, it's Audrey from the recipe website 2pinkpeonies.com. Today I wanted to show you how to make the recovery from Nekter Juice Bar. I'll be using my magic bullet juicer. I think this is a wonderful juicer to make homemade juices at home. I love it. It's been great. I'll link it below so you can look at it on Amazon. But I absolutely love this juicer. I said this in my last Copycat Nekter video. I know personal finance gurus always talk about don't buy lattes. How about don't buy juices? I think they're like twice as much as a latte. They can really um, be a bit pricey. So, making your favorite juice bar recipe at home is like such a budget friendly way, to get some healthy juices in. So, the recovery is the one that's really dark red from the beets. It's one of my favorite. I also really like the buzz. I also really like the greenie. I also like the toxin flush. So I'm going to try to do a video for each so that way you can make them at home and save you some time and money. So let's get started. So, like I said, I have the Magic Bullet Juicer. I have one beet. And remember with the beet that it gets everywhere and it can stain things. So if you have white clothes on, if you have a white countertop, if you have a white kitchen towel, be very careful because it can get stained. I have half of a large orange. I have one green apple. I have a small piece of ginger. And be sure to peel your orange because if you don't, the peel will throw off the juice and it'll taste funny. So be sure to peel the orange. Watch out for the beet. All right, well, let's get started. So I'm going to put everything in the juicer and then I'll show you what it looks like. So here's what the juice looks like. I cleaned everything up and I just wanted to show you a final shot. I did give it a good stir and I think it's super close to the nectar version. If you try it, let me know how you like it in the comments below.